Good morning, Sandy Ridge. So today is Cinco de Mayo, May 5th. So today we're going to draw a real fun sombrero hat for Cinco de Mayo. Give it lots of color and lots of fun pattern. Enjoy. Okay, so let's get started on our Cinco de Mayo sombrero. So I've got my guidelines on here, right? Nice and light, my little dashed lines across the middle this way and this way. And our first shape of sombrero really basically is just an upside down U with a big smiley face brim on it, isn't it? Right? So it's going to be an upside down U with kind of a smiley face, only we're going to make it curve a little bit. And then we are going to add some fun pattern and details because we know sombreros have lots of bright colors and lots of fun patterns. So that's what we're going to do. So our first line is just going to be a curve, a mountain, right? It's going to come up and back down, and only I'm going to make this side a little bit longer. See how that side I kept a little bit shorter? This one I'm going to make a little bit longer, right? So we get a little, just a little fun, make it look like our sombrero is kind of tilting, all right? So then I'm going to take and I'm going to draw. I'm going to start out here, probably like 3 fingers away from my mountain. So I've got my nice mountain about 3 fingers away. I'm going to start here. All right, I'm going to swoop to that line. I'm going to swoop down to that line and come up like that. So basically just a curve. It's up a little. I hit that line. I curve down. I hit that line. And I come up a little bit like this. Now watch what we're going to do. From this line here, I'm going to do a curve and go back behind that mountain peak, right? Jump over. I'm going to come back out the other side and curve around and meet up with that line. So from there, I just curved it behind the mountain, jumped it over, and I'm going to come back out the other side, curve it around, and meet it up like that. Now on this side, now I'm going to come down a little bit. So just do sort of a curve down this way. I'm going to take it just slightly curved across the bottom. And then up and into this one right there like that. So my sombrero's got a fun little curve to it like that. And that's it. That's essentially the sombrero shape, right? I might neaten it up a little bit, make this come down a little bit over there. And I might make it, maybe I'll even make this come out just a little bit more. But your sombrero shape is basically that. Now what we're going to do is put some fun pattern on it. So remember we talked about how if you curve those lines, you make things look round, right? So we're going to curve line here. I'm going to put another curve line in here. Might even, and then maybe one more that jumps behind over there like that. So I've got my curved lines on here. Now I'm going to divide. I'm going to make, first I think I'll do a wave pattern here. I'm going to go wave, 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 wave like that. And I'm going to wave the other direction. Wave, 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 wave off like that. Maybe I'll put some circles inside my waves like this. Maybe I'm going to put some, I think I'll do one more up here. I'm going to put some triangles. Or zigzag line, right? Put some triangles in there. Like that, and across the bottom. Zigzags. All these fun patterns we can fill with all kinds of fun color. All right. Now we got to have a fun colored edge on the brim of our sombrero. Like that. We got a pretty little patterned, fun colored edge. And I think we're going to do some triangles. And then some bigger triangles like this. So I'm going to do a smaller triangle and a bigger triangle. A smaller one and a bigger one. I will just work these all the way around. Maybe I'll do, I'm going to do my big triangle first, put my little one inside. Big triangle first, little one inside. Big triangle, little one. Big triangle, little one. And let it run right till I'm out of space. Like that. I'm going to do it around the back side over here too. Do my big triangle, my little one inside. Or fix up those triangles a little bit. I kind of went astray there. Have them start getting smaller so they're disappearing. Around that corner edge right there. There's my sombrero. Now you can use whatever you want to add some color to your sombrero. Maybe we even want to give it a little some sort of a little tie here. Hold your sombrero on. Use colored pencils, you can use markers, you can use crayons, whatever you want to fill in that fun sombrero. Alright, so I decided I'm going to do mine in a little marker today. So first I'm going to trace it out in some Sharpie. Then I'm going to add some, just some fun, really bright colors. Remember to do your sombrero, do your patterns, whatever patterns you chose. You don't have to do the same as me, but give it some nice bright colors. Happy Cinco de Mayo!